What if I told you that you could convert any form submission into a professional PDF document in seconds, without coding, without third-party tools, and without the complexity? If you're running a business that handles contracts, agreements, invoices, or any document that needs signatures, you know the pain. You collect data through forms, then manually copy-paste everything into PDFs, format them, send them out. It's tedious, time-consuming, and frankly, there's a better way. Welcome to MakeForms, the privacy-first form builder that's revolutionizing how businesses handle form to PDF conversion. I'm Jesslyn, and in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you 2 powerful ways MakeForms lets you automatically generate PDF documents from form submissions. Whether you're a real estate professional managing rental agreements, a healthcare provider handling patient consent forms, or a business owner processing contracts, this feature is going to save you hours every single week. Now, before we dive in, let me quickly tell you why this matters. Most form builders force you to export data, manually create PDFs, or pay for expensive document automation tools. MakeForms takes a different approach. Everything happens automatically, securely, and within the same platform where you're already collecting your data. MakeForms gives you 2 ways to create PDFs from your forms. One, where you bring in your own PDF template, and second, where you can use MakeForms document generator to build the template from scratch. Let's start with scenario 1. You've got a rental agreement that's already designed. Maybe it has your company branding, legal disclaimers, whatever you need. With MakeForms, you simply upload that PDF template into the platform. But before we do that, let's use the MakeForms AI tool that helps us convert this PDF into a form. Now that the form is ready, let's publish it and go to the Integrations tab. Here, we will find an option that says Generate Document. When we click here, it gives 2 options: Upload Document, Start from Scratch. Let's use the Upload Document and upload our template. Once uploaded, here's where the magic happens. You see your PDF template on screen, and you can literally drag and drop form fields onto specific areas of the document. Let me show you what I mean. Say you have a field for client name in your form. You drag that field and drop it exactly where you want the client's name to appear on your PDF. Same for address, date fields, signature fields, everything. What makes this powerful is the precision. You're not hoping the data lands in the right spot. You're visually placing each field exactly where it needs to go. Your branding stays intact, your formatting stays perfect, your legal language doesn't change. And here's the kicker. Once someone fills out your form, MakeForms automatically generates a completed PDF with all that data burned into the exact spots you specified. No manual work, no formatting issues, just a professional, ready-to-use document. Now, method 2 is for those of you who don't have a pre-existing PDF template, or maybe you want even more flexibility in how your documents look. MakeForms has what's called dynamic documents. Think of it as a document builder right inside the platform. You're creating your entire PDF from scratch, adding text, formatting, images, tables, whatever you need, all within MakeForms. But here's where it gets really smart. As you're building your document, you use what's called the @calling feature. Let me show you. You're typing up your agreement or invoice, and when you need to insert form data, like the client's name, you simply type @ and you'll see a drop-down of all your form fields. Select client name, and boom, that field is now embedded in your document. You can do this throughout your entire document: @client email, @project details, @signature. Every piece of data from your form can be dynamically inserted wherever you need it. The beauty here is flexibility. You're not constrained by an existing template. You can format text, add conditional sections, include images or logos, create tables. You have complete control over how your final PDF looks. But wait, there's one more feature that makes this absolutely essential for legal documents and agreements: signature burning. When someone signs your form using MakeForms' signature field, that signature doesn't just get stored as data, it gets burned directly onto the PDF, meaning the signature is permanently embedded in the document, just like a physical ink signature on paper. This is huge for rental agreements, employment contracts, service agreements, NDAs, any document where you need a legally binding signature. Now, here's something that applies to both methods, and it's incredibly useful. Once your PDF is generated, MakeForms lets you attach it to two types of notifications, form filler and self-notifications. Let's set them up. Open your form and then click on Notification tab at the top. Now click on Create New. You will see two types of notifications. First, self-notifications. This means every time someone fills out your form, you or someone from your team will receive an email with the completed PDF attached. Select the members who are already part of the MakeForms account or enter the email address of the person if they are not. So, anytime the form is filled, you get each completed agreement as a PDF sent directly to your inbox. Second, form filler notifications. This sends the completed PDF to the person who filled out the form. You can edit the content that goes into this email. So your client gets their signed agreement immediately. It's professional, it's fast, and it creates an amazing user experience. And because both parties receive copies via those notification emails, everyone has a record of the signed document immediately. Let me give you some real-world scenarios where this changes everything. Real estate professionals. You're showing a property, client loves it, they fill out their rental application on their phone, and within 60 seconds, both you and the client have a signed lease agreement in your inboxes. Healthcare providers. A patient arrives for their appointment, fills out consent forms and medical history on a tablet, and immediately you have completed signed documents in your system, fully compliant and ready for their file. HR departments. New employee fills out onboarding forms, and you automatically generate offer letters, confidentiality agreements, and tax forms, all pre-filled with their information and signature. Now that we have seen how amazing MakeForms is at automating PDF generation at scale, think about the traditional process for a second. Someone fills out a form, you export the data, you open your PDF editor, you manually type or paste information into fields, you save it, you email it to them, they download, sign it if they know how, scan it back to you, you save that version. It's 10 steps minimum and probably takes 5-10 minutes per submission. With MakeForms, it's one step. They fill the form, everything else happens automatically. PDF generated, signatures embedded, notifications sent, done. The entire process takes the same amount of time as filling out the form. That's it. And remember, this isn't just about saving time, though you're saving hours every week. It's about reducing errors. It's about creating a professional experience. It's about never losing a document or wondering if signatures are valid. Whether you're handling 5 submissions a week or 500, automating your form to PDF workflow is one of those changes that immediately pays dividends. Less time on admin work means more time growing your business. In the next video, we will see how you can take this one level ahead and add password to the generated PDFs. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. I break down tools like this that actually save you time and money. Drop a comment if you have questions about MakeForms or if you want to see other features covered. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, make forms great again.